Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Wolf, Ontario, Canada. Here today with you with another P0420, P0430 catalytic converter efficiency codes. Now the issue we had on these ones here, these are out of a Honda 3.5 liter. This one's particularly out of a Honda Pilot. You know, you can have them in Honda Odysseys and all that. As you can see, there is substrate in there, honeycomb. Yeah. Coated with platinum and palladium. That's what makes these so valuable for people to rip them off. As you can see, this one here, the powdery stuff starting to come through. This is the honeycomb, and this is starting to come apart. Now initially, sometimes you can get these codes from a biased air-fuel ratio sensor. Before going into these expensive cat replacements, we went and replaced the upstream as well as the downstream monitor sensors. Sometimes I can do it as well as doing a tear clean to clean out these cats. However, this one here, they were a little too far gone to replace that. These are available through Darman, exact fit, great product. They come with all the hardware, the gaskets, everything you need. And original equipment is not your only answer to this. Sometimes you can go with aftermarket and they're just as good. Any cat efficiency codes, feel free to give us a call here at the shop. Urban Automotive, safety first.